Grab some baking soda and let's do these nails. But we're gonna do a step-by-step. You guys have been requesting it and I'm here to give it to you guys. Let's get into finding the nail tips that fit us. Now, when it comes to nail tips, you do not want the nail tip to be too big or too small because it will cause lifting. Not only will it cause lifting, it will cause the nail to pop off. So you want to make sure they fit perfectly. Another thing is these nail tips are from the Dollar Tree. It is one of my favorite nail tips to use as their sizing is perfect. Going in with a nail file, you want to make sure you file from sidewall to sidewall, cuticle and free edge. This way the nails are sticking well and you're prepping your nails perfectly. I do not use a primer when it comes to this hack. This hack, I just go straight in, apply the nail tips and apply the baking soda. Sometimes you can use either alcohol or acetone if you want to get a more matte and clean finish. But I end up just not using any of that and just going straight in with the baking soda. Now I will prep these nails and also shape them before I put the baking soda on, because if you do not know, baking soda will bubble up, and what causes that is if it's not sifted through a sifter or pat down, what happens is it will all get clumpy and clump up on the nail and cause the shape to disappear and look very lumpy and bulky. So in order to avoid that, you can pass your baking soda through a sifter, and I normally don't. I've been doing it for many years. I've practiced this many years, so it definitely takes time. Here we are going in and we are starting from the free edge, which is the tip of the nail, and I'm going to start all the way up so I can build an apex. This is the same thing that you would do with dip. And I also want to make a disclaimer because a lot of you guys think that I'm dipping my nails into something else. If I was using a dip powder, you would need to use activator. And another thing is baking soda dries really fast. It actually dries faster than acrylic and dip powder. So I can go right in ahead and start filing my nails. If you ever try the hack, then you would know that. Once you go from the free edge all the way up to the cuticle, you will see that the nail starts to build a lot of thickness, which is really nice because you won't have to worry about the cuticle overflowing and it looking very harsh. You want a nice thin cuticle that looks flush with your nail. And then going down to the middle, it got that arch, and then going down to the free edge, it has a nice thickness where it's not going to break at the tip and it's not going to break in the middle. That is the way that you build the apex. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to file. Now filing is building your shape to what you want it to be, whether it is square, stiletto, almond, whatever shape that you want. And another thing is you want to make sure you are filing the top of the nail all the way down, around, up, just so that way you can get a nice smooth surface. And at the end, this is what you will be provided with. I have many videos here on this channel. I try to do a little step-by-step, and I will do step-by-steps in a lot of the upcoming videos so you guys can understand just a little bit better.